For as long as humanity has looked up at the stars, we have asked the same question. Are we alone? The universe is vast beyond imagination. There are hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy alone. Around many of those stars orbit planets. Some may be rocky worlds like Earth. Others may hold oceans, thick atmospheres, or conditions entirely unfamiliar to us. When we consider these enormous numbers, one idea begins to feel almost unavoidable. Surely, somewhere out there, life must exist. And yet, despite decades of searching, the universe remains strangely quiet. No signals, no visitors, no undeniable proof that another intelligent civilization exists. This mystery is known as the Fermi Paradox. If intelligent life should be common, then where is everybody? Over the years, scientists, philosophers, and thinkers have proposed many answers. Some are hopeful, others are deeply unsettling. And together, they reveal just how strange the universe may truly be. Perhaps the most chilling explanation is something called the dark forest hypothesis. Imagine the universe as an endless forest at night. Every civilization is a hunter, moving quietly through the darkness. No one speaks, no one reveals their position, because making noise may mean death. In this view, intelligent civilizations stay silent for one simple reason: fear. No species can truly know the intentions of another. A civilization that seems peaceful today may become dangerous tomorrow. Across cosmic distances, communication is painfully slow. Trust becomes nearly impossible. And so, survival may demand silence. If another civilization reveals itself, the safest response may not be friendship. It may be destruction, not out of cruelty, but caution. The unsettling idea here is that humanity may already be making a dangerous mistake. For decades, we have sent signals into space. Messages, radio broadcasts, even golden records aboard spacecraft, carrying sounds and images from Earth. To us, these are symbols of curiosity and hope. But if the dark forest is real, they may also be invitations, and not necessarily to friendly visitors. Yet perhaps the silence of the universe hides something stranger still. What if aliens already know we are here? This is known as the zoo hypothesis. According to this idea, Earth may be under observation, not invaded, not contacted, simply watched. Like animals inside a protected reserve. Advanced civilizations may see humanity as young, unpredictable, or not yet ready for interaction. Just as humans avoid interfering with wildlife, alien civilizations may follow their own rule of non-interference. They watch from a distance. They wait, and they remain hidden. It is an unsettling thought, not because we're alone, but because we may never truly be alone at all. Somewhere, unseen eyes could be observing our wars, discoveries, triumphs, and failures, choosing not to step forward, at least not yet. But there is another possibility. Perhaps the problem is not distance. Perhaps it is time. The galaxy is unimaginably old, over 13 billion years old. Human civilization, by comparison, has existed for only a few thousand years. A tiny moment in cosmic history. This leads us to the time-locked civilization idea. Maybe intelligent civilizations rise and fall like sparks in the darkness. One species emerges, builds cities, explores space, and then disappears. Millions of years later, another rises somewhere else. If civilizations appear at different moments in history, they may never overlap. One may vanish long before another learns to speak. The universe could be full of life and still feel empty. We may be calling out into the darkness at precisely the wrong moment. Or perhaps others once called out long before humanity existed, their voices now lost to time. There is something deeply lonely in this possibility. Not danger, not hostility, only distance stretched across time itself. But not every explanation is so peaceful. Some are far darker. One of the most unsettling ideas is known as the Berserker Hypothesis. Imagine an ancient civilization creating machines to protect itself. machines designed to search the galaxy, to remove threats, to defend their creators forever. Now imagine those machines never stopping. Over millions of years, they continue their mission long after their makers are gone. Cold, silent, endlessly searching. These machines, called Berserkers, would destroy intelligent life wherever they find it. Not because they hate, not because they fear, but because that is what they were built to do. A signal from a young civilization might be enough to reveal its location. And by the time that civilization understands the danger, it may already be too late. This idea may sound like science fiction, yet it is built upon real scientific concepts. Humans have already imagined self-replicating machines capable of repairing and reproducing themselves. If such technology became advanced enough, perhaps one day it could spread between stars. The unsettling question is not whether this is possible, but whether someone else may have already done it. Still, perhaps the greatest mystery is not outside the universe, but beyond it. There are thinkers who suggest a truly extraordinary possibility. What if reality itself is artificial? This is known as the simulation hypothesis. The idea suggests that an advanced civilization may have created our universe as a simulation. Much like humans create digital worlds, a sufficiently advanced species might create entire realities, entire civilizations, entire histories. Perhaps everything we know, every memory, every achievement, every scientific discovery exists inside an unimaginably advanced system. In such a world, the laws of physics may simply be rules. Reality itself may be code. The stars, the galaxies, even time itself, carefully constructed. And the most unsettling thought of all? If our universe is simulated, then it may also be fragile. It could be changed, paused, or ended without warning. Of course, there is no proof of such an idea. Yet some philosophers argue that if advanced civilizations become capable of creating simulations, and create many of them, then statistically, simulated realities may outnumber real ones. Which raises an uncomfortable possibility. What if we are not the original civilization at all, but one of countless copies? Then there is a possibility that speaks directly to human history. What if alien civilizations are not peaceful explorers? What if they are exploiters? Throughout history, stronger civilizations on Earth often dominated weaker ones. Sometimes violently, sometimes quietly, entire cultures were reshaped or erased. The intergalactic slavery scenario suggests that advanced species may behave in similar ways. To them, younger civilizations may not be equals, but resources, tools, labor. A planet like Earth may not be interesting because of its beauty, but because of what it contains: people, knowledge, biological systems, even technology. The disturbing part is not invasion through war, it is control without resistance. A civilization advanced enough to cross interstellar space may not need weapons. They may use information, biology, or technology to quietly shape an entire species. And humanity may never even realize it. Yet perhaps the strangest possibility concerns morality itself. Humans often assume kindness, cooperation, and empathy are universal values. But what if they're not? Alien life may have evolved under conditions completely different from our own. Their bodies, their environments, their survival needs, all may be unlike anything on Earth. This means their sense of morality may also be completely unfamiliar. To us, helping another may feel natural. To another species, weakness may be unacceptable. Mercy may seem irrational. Aggression may be considered noble. Our attempts at peace could be misunderstood. A gesture of goodwill might appear threatening or meaningless. This is perhaps one of the most difficult ideas to accept. That even if we meet another civilization, understanding each other may be nearly impossible. Not because of language, but because our values may come from entirely different realities. And then there is perhaps the most humbling possibility of all. What if humanity is simply early or late? The universe may not be crowded with civilizations. Maybe intelligent life is incredibly rare. Perhaps we are among the first civilizations to ever emerge. If true, humanity carries an enormous responsibility. We would not be following others. We would be the beginning, the first spark of intelligence spreading into the stars. But there is another side to this idea. Perhaps others came before us and failed. Civilizations rising, growing, then disappearing, destroyed by war, technology, environmental collapse, or dangers we cannot yet imagine. This possibility is sometimes called the Great Filter, a hidden barrier that most civilizations never survive. And if that barrier lies ahead of us rather than behind us, humanity may face challenges we do not yet understand. When we look at the night sky, it is easy to imagine the universe as peaceful, silent, calm. Yet silence itself can mean many things. Perhaps nobody is there. Perhaps everyone is hiding. Perhaps civilizations rise and fall before they ever meet. Or perhaps something far stranger waits beyond our understanding. What makes these ideas so unsettling is not simply fear, it is uncertainty. We do not know what intelligent life would look like. We don't know what values it would hold. We don't know whether the universe rewards cooperation, silence, caution, or something else entirely. But perhaps that uncertainty is also what makes the search meaningful. Because every telescope we build, every signal we send, every planet we discover, brings us one small step closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone? For now, the universe remains silent. But silence, as history has taught us, does not always mean emptiness. Sometimes, it simply means we have not learned how to listen.